Now here is how you can see the previous notifications on your Android phone. Let me get started and show you how it would work if it's your first time in here. Subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can swipe down from the top of the phone and see the notifications which you have right here. Obviously, if there are any like previous ones in here which you haven't interacted with, it's still going to be here, but it's much better to open up your settings app and find a notifications menu, which should be somewhere closer toward the top. Depends on your phone, of course, but you should be able to find it like I have it in here. Then proceed to the advanced settings, and in there I can as well find a notification history, and it has to be turned on. Like that is the prerequisite. Like if you have it turned off and you enable it, then it's only gonna show notifications saved from this point on. But if you've been using this feature for a longer time, you can go back in a time and kind of like see the notifications in there, so you can see which apps delivered them and so on, so you can find it very nicely in here. Obviously, it's not like it's gonna be saved forever. In most cases, it's gonna be there for 24 hours, but it's still better than nothing, because if you swipe your notification away, then there would be no way of getting back to it if this feature didn't exist. So that's something which you have the ability to do. I hope that I was able to assist you and help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching, and stick until the end, and I'll see you in the future videos as well.